Loading a small quilt on the Ellie with a halo table. Small projects can be loaded to the halo table using the pickup roller. Load the backing. Loosen the knobs on each end of the pickup roller. Roll the bar backwards to release enough canvas for pinning. Pin the top of your backing to the canvas leader with the right side of the fabric facing down. Start pinning in the center and pin outward roughly every 8 inches until you reach the end of the backing. Return to the center, filling in with pins roughly every 2 inches. Once back at the center, work toward the opposite side. Again, pin every 8 inches and then work back to the center, filling in with pins. Pinning can be done from the back of the machine if preferred. Be sure that the backing fabric falls behind the rear take-up bar of the halo table. If needed, push the fabric between the pickup roller and take-up bar. Arrange the backing fabric behind and underneath the rear take-up bar and over the top of the front frame tube of the halo table. Adjust the pickup roller so the top of the backing almost reaches the take-up tube at the back of the halo table. If desired, the excess backing fabric can be draped behind or over the drape kit cord underneath the halo table. Tube clamps can be placed over the backing on the front tube to secure the backing in place. Place the batting and top. With the backing rolled up almost to the rear take-up tube, layer the batting on the backing. The top of the batting should line up just below the top of the backing fabric. The excess batting can be placed behind the drape cord if desired. Center the quilt top on the batting. It's preferred to leave an inch or more of batting above the top of the quilt top. Secure the batting and quilt top at the front tube using tube clamps. Secure the sides of the quilt backing using the side clamps. Quilting the quilt. Secure the quilt top by stitching around the edge of the top about 1/8 inch from the edge. Use the white single stitch button on either handle to pull up the bobbin thread before stitching. Use the green Start/Stop button on either handle to start stitching. Stitch length can be adjusted with the stitch length knob on the side of the machine head. After securing the quilt top edges, quilt the area as desired. Advancing the quilt. Prepare to advance the quilt by placing the machine head at the edge of the halo table. Remove the tube clamps and side clamps. Pull the excess batting and backing in front of the drape cord. Loosen the knobs on either side of the pickup roller. Roll the bar toward the front to advance the quilt. Watch that the quilt rolls straight and even on the pickup roller. Stop rolling when the bottom of the quilted area of the quilt almost reaches the rear take-up tube. Retighten the knobs on the pickup roller. Smooth the backing, batting, and quilt top. Replace the side clamps and tube clamps. If needed, re-tension the pickup roller. If desired, drape excess backing and batting over the drape cord under the table. Secure the sides of the quilt top by stitching 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Continue quilting. Repeat the process all the way to the bottom of the quilt.